That's funny.
She gave a gas instead of brake, and she thought she was pushing the brake, and she kept pushing the gas, and drove her right through those doors and busted them, broke them all out.
Oh, is that an outdoor bar? Oh no, it's a kitchen.
That's the kitchen.
Oh wow. Oh, you got another one of those showers here.
This is no, this is not a.
This for indoor.
That's for indoor.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Well, it's different. I left the space on purpose. You know why?
Why?
To get the flies out. No kidding. So flies get caught in the corner and they fly out. I just built a new deck here about a year ago. I spent weeks on this. We can go inside.
Yeah, I just want to see it outside. Oh, nice little fireplace.
We used to have a greenhouse there. We grew food in that area there.
Oh, another greenhouse. Okay. Where? Up
Right
on top?
here. This was all covered with plastic. This whole thing was a garden.
Oh.
And this had glass going right across the pool. Half of it was inside and half out. See, the glass went right along there and then across there, and it went up to the top and then across the top and back.
Oh,
and this is all
greenhouse.
garden area.
Cool. All right, let's take a look inside. Little arrow.
Huh?
Arrow. It's an arrow.
Arrow?
Yeah, it's an arrow table.
Oh. Yeah, well, that... I kind of like these triangular tables. And we saw fish. We used to see salmon coming up in this creek, laying their eggs.
Oh, right now it's dry, right?
It's dry. It's been drying for the last, I don't know, 8 years, 10 years. It used to run year round, quite a bit of water.
Oh, that's nice. That's the same shower system. Hello?
Let's not touch anything.
Oh, there you go. It's the same,
Yeah, same pole, same
Vertical.
structure as that other one. Big kitchen. See, Space Time Knowledge, they come with 20 people. And with a kitchen like this, you have 4, 5, 6 people working in the kitchen.
yeah, this is beautiful. I'm about to turn this off.
No, don't mess with that.
I'm trying to stop the drip.
Huh?
It stopped, the drip.
Oh, there was a drip?
Uh-huh. All these chairs that you made.
Yeah, these are all my chairs. Look at the table.
I know.
That's a piece of that's up at the glass house that I cut off the bottom. I cut the table up there at the glass house came off of this.
Wow. Okay. At the top. How many bedrooms?
It's got 2 bedrooms upstairs.
Like
The bathroom, the toilet is filthy.
oh,
This has got radiant heat in the concrete.
really? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's stuff in here. Uh-huh. Is this another bedroom over here too?
Huh?
Is this another bedroom?
No, that's just outside.
Outside to where?
Well, it's just out on a... I was gonna build that was gonna be a workshop. I was gonna have a workshop when I got old, where I could live here and have my workshop right there. All set up to build a workshop.
So where's the shower at?
The shower is right in the bathroom, a redwood tub, right over to the right.
Oh, did I miss it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it. I thought this was a wall. I didn't know that was the shower.
That's
This is
a
great.
bathtub. That holds water.
Oh, you can step in. Oh, you have to
A
step in.
redwood tub.
Oh, so you step over it.
You step over it.
It's almost like a Japanese tub.
Yeah.
That's nice. Very good. Funny. I missed this. Yes, like you said, the toilet is dirty. You have to clean that up.
Did you see the counters? Look at these counters. I made them out of redwood. Look at the thickness of that.
Oh, not that one. Yeah, it's what do they call it? Like the chef's counter nowadays?
Yeah.
A lot of homes.
Right.
But this is even thicker than the chef counter. Chef counter is like maybe 3/4 of that or something.
Yeah, well, they left some food out here. They're gonna be back, obviously. This is, they're not gone. They might even come back tonight, who knows? If they got the gas on or, yeah,
Yeah.
the gas is still on.
What do you call this again?
Dutch door.
Dutch door. Dutch door. I don't know why I
And then
keep
here's
forgetting.
another stove I did.
I know, I saw that.
All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. I don't want to get caught in here.
What is this?
That's, the lady drove her truck in here and tore a cabinet out. There used to be a cabinet in there. And she drove right into the living room. She knocked that wall out there. Fortunately, she didn't break the pipes. She had that little buddy who was clear into the living room.
Very nice. Interesting.
I had to rebuild all these doors.
Is this a fridge?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
See
see.
if it's, it was full of shit. Is it?
Oh, it is full.
Is
There's
it
soda,
good?
there's beer.
Is it clean?
It's cold.
Oh,
It's
it's
clean.
clean. So they got it running.
It's clean.
Oh yeah, you see they clear. This was rotten food. They had left it for a week or a
Yeah.
month, and it stunk like hell.
Oh,
So
well,
they cleaned it out.
Very